lagi na sinasabi, the time you get sleep, amen, that is your decision. That's your decision. Yung matulog ka, decision mo yan. At the time you wake up, that is the decision of the Lord. Yung gigising ka sa umaga, decision ni Lord yun. Yung gigising ka. Yung magising ka sa umaga, bago ka magtingin ng cellphone mo, comment or something, ipasalamat ko muna sa Panginoon. You need to say thank you to the Lord because He wake you up. She wake you up. He wake you up. Amen? Ginising tayo. Lord, today, tulungan mo ako, Panginoon. I pray na today, Lord, help me to become faithful in everything. In my work, in everything, small things, little things, big things, much things. Help me to become faithful. Lord, if I go out from this door, Lord, help me to be self-control. Help me to love, to have joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and so forth. Mas yung panalangin. Amen? May pasasalamat sa Panginoon. When you come back to your house for the whole day, na nagtrabaho ka, bago ka matulog, salamat Panginoon na dumating ako na buo pa yung katawan ko. I came back and I still have the whole body. Amen? Amen? Ang whole parts. Amen? Malayo ako sa disgrasya, kapahamakan. Amen? Yung pamilya ko po, hindi mo pinagkulang. Salamat. Amen? Na kami ko ay iningatan mo. Amen? You take care of us. Amen? Hindi yung matutulog ka na kagad. Ang papasalamat. Tapos magising ka, hindi ka rin papasalamat. Amen? Parang binigyan ka ng pagkain. Diba? Tapos hindi ka ng pasal, kinain mo na lang. Pinuha mo, malis ka na lang. Parang ganun yun, no? Amen? Kung ako yung starting today, before you sleep, you will after a prayer. And when you wake up in the morning, you will after prayer.
Amen.
Hindi pasasalamat. This morning, mga minaman yung pasalamat na natin. Amen? We are preparing ourselves. Amen? Lord, patawarin mo Lord sa akin na kasalanan. Kasi di natin naman na yun, nagkakasalat tayo without our knowing. Sabi ko kanina, tumingin lang tayo pag sa kapatid na alam na tayo. Amen? Nagkaroon ka lang ng buot. Amen? Galit or anger to your neighbors. Amen? You are committed murder. You are murder. Amen? So, keep blameless. Amen? Keep blameless. And our objective, number one, to help every believer obtain peace and assurance about their readiness for the Lord.